Hello, we are Midstream, and Midstream, the value proposition is to pay for outcomes, not tokens. What's the problem that we are going after? There is a lot of focus on AI agents, and there is a rush to build agentic behavior and marketplaces, but that's all predicated on probabilistic outputs from AI models and or orchestrators. They are trying to control this, but it is all in upfront planning that is not guaranteed, or post evaluation. There is nothing that executes and course corrects as it goes in terms of inferencing, and Midstream attacks that problem. The idea is to use an infrastructure that is now possible with Circle and Arc, where chunks of data can be looked at as these tokens are emitted, and those chunks being evaluated as the inferences are being put out, being evaluated by another model. And this is basically using Google's Gemini and DeepMind models to observe the output. And if the quality drops, then the payment stream stops as well. This is uniquely possible only in Circle and Arc. So this is the problem statement we are running into. The existing solutions don't work because most of them have high cost of detection and stopping. And that is why we have the kill gates. And based on these kill gates, we have a way to course correct them right now. And we'll get into the live demo. Here is a demo where we are doing this for a Here an example where a particular inference gets started and it is being observed live. Here is an example that the quality actually dropped. And after a few observations, the gate actually stopped, and it stopped as early as the lowest possible spend possible. This is one example where it stops. Now let's look at an example where it actually keeps moving. And in this case, every chunk that is getting executed is basically passing the quality gates and keeps on going, keeps on going, keeps on going. And this is a situation where the deep research example in this case is on the right track as we go. So if you look at our examples, if we can go, we have run enough examples. If you go into the Arc testnet, you will see our examples. And there are a bunch of examples. And what you will see as a pattern is there is a contract call and there is a token transfer. Contract call, token transfer. So basically, it is bunching it in such a way that for every correct definition, it keeps on going. And when the definition is wrong, it stops. And the intent behind this is this can be applied in a great effort from various different aspects. Now, the various different aspects include things like audio, video, deep research is the example you just saw, but this can be applied to orchestrators of the APIs. So now you have a very good measure of saying, what am I paying for? And you're not paying for tokens, you're paying for outputs. This basically extends the harness engineering into and injects the nanopayments into harness engineering, which is the very need for AI today. Thank you.